So as you can tell, that Payne's gray with the gold and the light blue is insanely beautiful. I can't wait for it to dry, but look at those cells and that feathery like look. And what I love is a hint of that red orange that was in my base is coming through. And it's just a hint. But I really love this piece. Absolutely, this piece. You can really hang this in any direction. You can hang it from here. You can even hang it this way. You can hang it this way if you like. And with the light, you can really see the gold a lot better. But do you see how just a hint of the base is coming through? That's incredible. And look, it's at little hearts. I'm just absolutely loving this. Absolutely loving this. I don't even know which part is my favorite because it seems like all of it. Look at that. That is incredible. That's definitely. And then I really like that. It's just so pretty. So yeah, you can hang this in any direction, but let me know what you think. I'm noticing other artists are starting to play around with this new technique. I know it was just taught in the thing that was going on in Texas. I wasn't there, but I've already seen a couple of videos of people doing this. It's a translucent white over the base, and then you do a Dutch pour. But see, that's already starting to change colors. Like, look at that. I mean, every 5 minutes, it's going to be slowly changing and changing until it's completely dry. So we won't really know what this looks like until it's dry. But I don't know. Part of me doesn't really like this part. There. It's a little bit better. That was bothering me. Anyways, let me know what you think. It's definitely another ocean, like beachy type thing. As you could tell, I love blues and golds. Well, really any metallic with the blues I'm just obsessed with. I think it's insanely beautiful, but I just love how a hint of the base is coming through. Just a hint. Just enough to pique your attention and make you wonder. So let me know what you think.